I'm gonna be giving you guys a crash course on how to set up your new RTK Basin Rover system. I'm gonna need a tripod, tri-brac, a tri-brac puck, a pole, and then unsurprisingly, my receiver. Let's first get our tripod set up. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna set my tripod over somewhere that's reasonably level. It's as open as I can possibly get. The higher I get my base, the better my results are gonna be here. I'm gonna try to roughly get this level here. What I like to do is I actually like to leave my little adapter off the tri-brac for right now, and that's because it makes it a little easier to set my base on it once I have this on here. I always recommend, if you're doing an unknown point setup, throw a nail on the ground, so if you ever come back to site, you can set up over that same point. I'm gonna come back and grab my base now. What I'm gonna need to do is ensure that I've got my batteries inside the receiver and that they're charged. The final step before I turn my receiver on is make sure I grab my antenna. At least once you'll forget your antenna, so always remember to do a little check before you turn your receiver on. You'll help avoid some of that grief there. I'm gonna get my receiver set on here, and while it's booting up, you wanna make sure it's on that bullseye where it will not be centered over your point.